And obviously we've been monitoring this for the last week or so, depending on where you are headed, whether it be on the roads or in the air. What are we looking like for the weekend?
I am just going to go jump right into it because there are going to be some travel delays. I mean, that's just going to happen this week. Here is a look at DFW Airport, 51 degrees, no delays right now. We have a little bit of cloud cover overhead, but that's really about it. Winds are not really strong enough to cause any delays. Love Field right now at 49, also seeing some cloud cover overhead and not seeing any delays, at least not weather related here. You could be seeing them somewhere else. But if you are traveling, say Friday or maybe even on Christmas Eve, you may be running into some delays here locally. That's when we have our highest rain coverage at about a 60%. But on any given day from Thursday through Christmas Eve, we're going to see rain in North Texas. And this is about how much. We could see 1 to 2 inches across the Metroplex, higher amounts for areas east or just to the northeast, anywhere between 2 to 3 inches of rain. And this is just in the span of a few days, Thursday through Christmas Day. Christmas Day, most of the rain will be east of the Metroplex. So let's go ahead and look at what that looks like. This is going to show you here your time. This is Thursday, 7 in the morning. This is where we could see that rain starting up really along our western edges, closer towards the Panhandle, West Texas, portions of western North Texas. And this is all part of a disturbance ahead of that main system that comes in. So this is now Thursday night. We start to see that rain expand in coverage, not just in North Texas, but along the entire I-35 corridor from Kansas towards central Texas. This will eventually move out through the morning on Friday. We do see a lull in the rain. This is Friday night. Look at this, Saturday, mostly dry until Saturday night around 7. That's when that next system comes in. That's what's going to bring us the widespread on and off showers, isolated thunderstorms on Christmas Eve. I'm showing you right now Christmas Eve at 11 in the morning. You can see some of that rain still kind of hanging out. It does get pushed into our eastern counties for Christmas Day, so I think a majority of North Texas will stay dry. But if you are going to be traveling to the southeast or to the east, you're going to be running into a very wet Christmas. Here's a look at some of the trouble spots. Today, the trouble spot will be the West Coast. That's where we have that rain, even some snow across the portions of the Pacific Northwest. Tomorrow, not really looking at too many issues with the exception of the West Coast, also seeing some rain in California. Now on Thursday, the trouble spot then extends into Texas, portions of Oklahoma, and into central Texas as well. That's going to shift to Arkansas, Louisiana for your trouble spot on Friday. Look at what happens on Saturday. We're going to see a mix of rain, maybe even some wintry mix across New Mexico, portions of Colorado, the Rockies, snow extending into portions of Idaho, Utah, and then some rain extending into the Ohio Valley. And this is on Sunday. So on Christmas Eve, a few locations will see even some snow. And this will mainly be from the Rockies towards the northern plains, including North and South Dakota, and rain extending anywhere from Minneapolis south across Missouri into Arkansas and Louisiana. So that's again Christmas Eve. And on Christmas, your forecast, here's what it's looking like in terms of our temperatures. We're trending pretty warm, at least warmer than normal, about 68 degrees on Christmas Eve. We'll see that on and off rain here locally. We're going to see it taper off for Christmas Day. Most of us will be dry, but that rain really starting to shift into our eastern counties, about 10% coverage. Winds will be mostly light out of the south on Christmas Eve, out of the west on Christmas with a high near 65 degrees. So overall, we're trending warmer. Today 60, but the next few days we will be warmer into the mid 60s. Mornings will be in the mid 50s, so not a big temperature swing. And then we'll notice that after Christmas, it'll cool down. The last few days of 2023, highs in the 50s with morning lows in the 30s. Megan.
Mariel, thank you.